Jamaica. I need all the conspiracy theories people to roll out. I'm about to give you some information, right? Because I need you to know what's going on in your country. But at the same time, we have to poke a little fun at this because maybe these people are right. You remember when the conspiracy theorist people said that the hurricane didn't seem to be going where it should be going. It seemed man-made, and that they are deliberately destroying certain areas because they have plans for those areas. Okay, after I play this clip, let me know if you still doubt the conspiracy theorist people. I mean, I don't know. Just listen.
A new Black River will emerge. A Black River built a little way now from the coastline, further inland, and the coastline will become the new touristic area of St. Elizabeth.
Wow.
So those of you who are familiar with South Beach and those areas, Vision Black River. That's where we're going. From Parati all the way back to Crawford, if you know that area. And then Treasure Beach with its development. But in building out the township, we're going to also be building a new airport in Clarendon.
What?
Yes. You know Vere? You know Ali? You know Vernon Field? Well, it's Vernon Field. Brand new airport that will be able to be the largest airport, definitely in arguably the Caribbean. Because if you recall, it was a base. And so that runway is still there in all its form, just for a little tweaking to be done.